road with the morning light, laughter rising, art so bright. The car is full of love and cheer, every mile brings us near. Scenery passing by the window side, every moment a memory to ride. The radio plays a soft old tune, Mom tells stories, Dad hums in tune. Together on the road, we're at our best. Smiles and joy, we never rest. The stops are moments, the road's a song, a journey that keeps us strong. A little cafe, tea in our hands, a sandwich shared, life understands. Even tired I shine with grace, with family every road's a warm embrace. A child asking are we almost there, a mother's laugh floating through the air. Each mile feels like a hug so tight, being together makes everything right. Together on the road where we belong, turning corners with our favorite song. The stops are chapters, the ride a tale. In every story, love sets sail. It's not the place, but the path we choose. With love beside us, we never lose. Maps may guide us where to go, but family is the heart of the road we know. Left behind the sleepy town of Davis at sunrise. 3 kids in the backseat, wonder in their eyes. With snacks and songs and hearts so light, we followed the road where mountains meet light. Golden fields waving, orchards in bloom. The engine steady like a gentle tune. Every turn a story waiting to unfold. California dreaming in morning gold. Past wooden fences and rivers wide, with laughter and silence side by side. Each mile we crossed was a memory made on this winding path through sun and shade. This is our road to Yosemite, where the skies stretch wild and free. With every mile we chase the breeze and let our hearts ride through the trees. In this moment it's just us 5, alive with joy, feeling alive. This is the journey we'll always keep, like a whisper carved in mountain deep. We stopped for views that stole our breath, stood where granite defies death. The kids ran fast, the wind ran faster, as if nature itself was their master. We saw the falls like silver rain, heard stories echo from the canyon's vein. No city lights, just nature's call, and our voices bouncing off each granite wall. Campgrounds glowing in the dusk, s'mores and starlight, pine sweet musk. Moments so simple, yet rich and wide. With every hug, we turn the tide. This is our road to Yosemite, through forest song and mountain plea. We found ourselves between the lines of winding roads and ancient pines. Let the cameras roll and memories sing on Atavatan TV. Captured everything, a family's love and nature's sweet. A journey that woke us from the deep. Back to Davis, but never the same. Our spirits touched by Yosemite's flame. We'll speak of this trip in years to come, when the kids are grown and the days feel numb. So here's to the road, the ride, the run, to wild blue skies and setting sun, to every laugh and tired eye, to the trail we took beneath the sky.